Hello, and welcome to another Financial Friday. Today, I wanted us to look at credit scores because obviously people know the higher the better, but there are some limits, there are some ranges, and not everyone is aware of this. So, I sent this over to my friend Steve with Guardian Mortgage because Guardian will look at credit scores as low as 620. And I had him verify that these are the ranges that he uses and would consider. So for this particular chart, don't really pay attention to the APR numbers in the sense of thinking these are current. These are actually from July 29th of 2024. But I wanted you to kind of see what happens here. So if you have a 620 score, until you get it all the way up to 640, you're not really seeing a difference in what you can do with that interest rate. But you'll notice there is kind of a decent jump there. And if you talk to your lender about your credit score, a lot of lenders do have some credit repair people that they can get you in touch with. And you can see, especially if you were looking at a 635 credit score, maybe there is some tip or trick that they can do to quickly get you up, quickly being a relative term, of course, to that 640. And here again, if you've got a 680 credit score, that's great. No, it's not 700, but if it's going to take you 6 months to go from 680 to 690, yeah, you're probably better off just going ahead and getting that interest rate that you're getting. Just to give slightly more perspective on this, the difference that you're paying for a 620 credit score versus a 760 credit score per month, that difference is only $321. Now, don't get me wrong, I would love to have an extra $321 a month. But what I'm saying is, if you found your dream house and you have a lower credit score, the world may not end if you can actually afford those monthly payments. If you can't afford the monthly payments, then you can't. And so, of course, let's try other things. But in reality, for at least from when you buy the house until when you're going to refinance, you're looking at a monthly payment difference of $321 or less. And so what I mean by the or less is just kind of looking there at that, like the 680, 660, those 20 points. You're not talking about much of a difference at all, $43 a month. And so that's what you need to go to your lender and ask about. And just tell them, like, I have a 696 credit score. Should we wait until I get to the 700? And because I mean, it will add up over the 30 years. You can do that math, and the difference between the 700 and 760, you're looking at $15,655. And then all the way at the bottom, then I mean, you're saving an extra $40,000 over that 30-year period. So long term, these things do add up, and I don't want to discount that in any way. What I'm saying though is, if you are ready to buy now and you're scared about your credit score, it's totally worth a conversation with your lender to find out what you qualify for, and then do that rung above and rung below. How much are you actually paying extra or could be paying extra a month? Because maybe your family needs that house now. So thank you so much for checking out today's Financial Friday. Again, I'm Miranda Moore. Please reach out to me with any questions. Especially in this case, I will definitely have to find a lender that I can refer you to, but I do have some wonderful ones that I work with here in New Mexico as well as other states. So just let me know how I can help. Have a wonderful weekend.